Are you looking for an affordable 5G ready smartphone that has a great display for watching Netflix? Then this phone could be for you. Okay, so that intro was a bit too home TV shopping, but anyway, this is the TCL 10 5G. As I mentioned, it has two big things going for it. Number one, it's an affordable option if you're looking for a 5G ready smartphone. And number two, it has display tech that makes watching YouTube and Netflix on this smartphone better. We're gonna be putting that to the test. I'm gonna be giving you guys a challenge, but anyway, let's see what's inside the box. Confession time, I did unbox everything and kind of test out the phone already prior to recording this video, but here's everything that you're gonna get inside the packaging. Of course, you have the phone itself. So this is, I think it's called the Mercury Gray color variant of the TCL 10 5G. It's also available in Chrome Blue. I really wanted to see that in person, but we got this and it still looks pretty good. Next up is a bunch of documentation that I know you're not going to read, but please keep this around. We keep on saying that in all of our videos, but it's true. Do you read them? Because I don't. Next up is a jelly case, the SIM ejector pin or SIM ejector tool, whichever way you want to call it, the USB-C cable, and an 18-watt charging brick. All right, so now that the unboxing is out of the way, let's get down to business. First, let's talk about the price. The TCL 10 5G is priced at 17,990 pesos, but currently, I think they're running a bit of a voucher promo on Lazada that will bump down the price of this smartphone to 16,490. Hopefully, by the time that you watch this video, that offer is still up. Like I said, this is an affordable option if you're looking for a 5G ready smartphone here in the Philippines. Now, this isn't the cheapest option out there, but it's good to have options. Of course, making that possible is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G that's paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And as far as I know, there's only one version of this smartphone. So not only are you getting faster mobile data, but you also have a powerful processor on board this smartphone. So if you want to play Call of Duty Mobile, Wild Rift, or Genshin Impact, based on our experience with this chipset, you should have smooth gameplay. I'll show you guys the benchmark scores in our full review so you have numbers to compare other smartphones you might be considering. So the second thing I said about this device is that its display is great for watching YouTube and Netflix, but if you just look at the spec sheet, it might not sound special. It has a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, so again, it might not sound special, but the good thing here is, since TCL is known for their TVs, at least for me, they actually put a dedicated display engine on this smartphone. They say that the color accuracy on this is really good, or less than 1 delta E if you know what that means, and you have their so-called Next Vision technology on board to further enhance the images or videos that you're watching. So the question is, does it actually work? And this is where I want to challenge you guys. Can you tell the difference with the enhancements on or the enhancements off? Hopefully things like my camera or YouTube compression doesn't factor in, but let's try. Kevin and Vika, please don't report me. I'm going to be using your videos, guys, so that they don't get mad. Sub to their channel, The Modern Creatures. So here's video A. I'm going to give you guys a couple of seconds, maybe like 5 more. Is this with enhancements on or off? Of course, you won't be able to tell unless I show you the other video. So here's video B. Was there a difference? Hopefully, again, those factors don't play into this. A few more seconds, and then I'll try to have a side-by-side so you guys can really tell. Okay, so which video had the video enhancement on and which had the video enhancements off. Let me know in the comment section if you got it right, because the answer is video B. So hopefully you could tell the difference with video enhancements turned on, with the colors a bit more saturated, but thankfully it doesn't go overboard or hindi siya OA. But again, if you don't like it or hindi mo siya trip, you can easily turn it off in the display settings or in its own settings, the next vision settings. I also said that this phone would be great for watching Netflix, and that's because you can watch your favorite shows in HD quality, but it also has HDR enabled, as you can see by the tiny icon up on the show's information. Okay, so I think I've covered the 2 points that I mentioned at the start. Two points that I covered in the start of this video, but let's talk about the rest of the key specs of the TCL 10 5G. And since I was just talking about the display, I'm sure you noticed it, but this phone has a punch hole, or what TCL is calling a dotch. So dot plus notch equals dotch. And of course, that houses the selfie camera, which is at 16 megapixels at an aperture of f2.2. For the rear cameras, you have a 64 megapixel main, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide, a 5 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. By the way, the camera arrangement here is a good change of pace from what we've been seeing from most smartphones. Simple, nothing fancy, no big camera bump. I like it. Anyway, here are a couple of sample photos. Let's keep the audience participation rolling, and let me know what you think about them in the comment section down below. As for the battery capacity of the TCL 10 5G, it's at 4,500 milliamp hours, which for my use usually means it will last for about a day and a half. And TCL says that the charging time for this is about 2 hours with that 18-watt charger. And I think that's pretty much it for the key specs of the TCL 10 5G. Again, there's more testing to be done. We'll go a bit more in depth for the full review, but definitely the highlight for this smartphone is its display technology and that dedicated display engine. I can't wait to watch more videos on this smartphone, and I'll report to you guys if I find anything weird or its general performance. So again, for the people who are definitely going to be asking in the comment section, this phone is priced at 17,990 pesos. I will be leaving a link in the description for their flagship store on Lazada, so you don't have to go out. Well, malls are closed anyway because ECQ Season 2, but yeah, links down below, guys. Anyway, that's it for me. Thank you so much for dropping by and spending a few minutes watching this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell. If you have any questions about the TCL 10 5G, leave them down below and I'll try my best to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest in tech, head to Unbox PH. Plus, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. Links are down below. I'm Tito James. Peace, God bless, and very important, guys, there were 15,000 plus cases today. Please stay safe. God bless.